Hi lovely people, and welcome back to Learn with Nia. Today we're going to talk about something that maybe doesn't get talked about enough. It's the fear of being judged when you're on camera. Now, whether it's worrying about how we sound, how we look, or what others are thinking, this fear holds so many of us back, especially when we're starting YouTube that little bit later in life. So in this video, I want to have a real conversation about it and share some mindset shifts and thoughts that have helped me move through that fear so that they might help you too. So let's start with this. You're not alone. Every creator I know has been afraid at first to put themselves out there because of the fear of judgment. So we all think, what if I look silly? What if someone from work sees me? What if my extended family see me? And what if people judge me? And even if people don't know me, what if they judge me? And believe me, those thoughts can feel even louder when you're over 40. Because when you think about it, we've had years of people telling us to tone it down, not make mistakes, and stay in our lane. But here's the truth. Being afraid doesn't mean you're not ready. It just means you care. So something that helped me hugely, that hopefully will help you too, is shifting focus. So instead of thinking, who might judge me? I started thinking, who might I help? So I thought of that one person, the one person who's learning, who needs a real person like me. So somebody who's a mother with 2 part-time jobs and doing YouTube, rather than some polished influencer to show them what's possible. Because when we focus on service and not fear, our voice gets louder than our doubt. So here's a few reminders that helped me, and they might help you too. So remember that most people are too focused on themselves to be judging you. And your worst critic is your own inner voice, not the audience. And you'll never get better unless you get started. Progress is more important than perfection, always. And remember, while we're talking about perfection, your first videos don't need to be perfect or polished. They just need to be posted. So go for it. You deserve to be seen. You've lived, you've learned, you've got something to say. And that deserves to be heard, no matter your age, your background, or your experience. And you know what? If someone doesn't like that, that's okay. It's their problem, not yours. And they're not your people. But somebody out there will love it. They'll need it. And they're just waiting for you to show up. So if fear of judgment is holding you back, just know that you're not too old. You're not too late. You're not too awkward or too anything to show up and speak your truth. I'd love to know, what's one thing that's made you feel nervous about starting filming? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to chat about it. And remember, I'm always here to cheer you on. And if this video gave you a little encouragement today, remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. And remember, keep going because your voice matters. And I'll see you in the next one.